Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing as always. Go ahead and hit that like button for me. If you are new, hello, I'm Sugar. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and that bell so you're getting more affordable hair content. And today we're going to be doing a 13x4 install. This is a Brazilian body wave. I have gone ahead and bleached the knots on this wig. This should be a really quick one, so I'm going to take off the install that I have in and put this one on, and we're going to get straight into it. Okay guys, so really quickly, I just put on a fresh cap, one of those like tan ones like this, and I take my Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid on a foundation brush, and I just go all over. I don't really do the ball cap method, so yeah, and I'm just going to put it on. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like on. There is a little bit of definition to the hairline. It's not just like a complete box. Like they tried to bring it out like in the temple area and things like that. So I will say that they really did a good job pre-plucking this. I can't say that much. this is the final look. Very natural and scalpy. I mean, they really did their thing with this wig. On the site, it does say that it is pre-plucked. They definitely did that. They really took their time with the hairline. It has, you know, dips. I did not tweeze it. I really would just want to show you guys what it was giving naturally after you bleach the knots, which really made it pop. It says that the knots are bleached on the site. I wouldn't go that far, but they were small and single hand tied knots, which I always appreciate. So girl, you're not gonna see this, but I just want to thank whoever made this wig. I mean, the next time you look at your frontal, just look at all those dots and just know that somebody had the patience to do that, okay? Which is insane because I would not, but they absolutely did amazing. It just looks so good and natural. The more the company do to help you through that tedious process of preparing your wig, I feel the better, because I don't know about you guys, but when I have a 13x4 that needs like tweezing, I start off really good. It looks really good and scalpy, and then by the time I hit this side, it's much thicker, and I just hide it until I have the energy to go back in and pluck it again. So yes, I appreciate it. Thanks. I feel like this is a very roomy wig. It's fitting me in a great way. Y'all know I have a sensitive head, and I can tell immediately if it's going to give me a headache or something like that, but I'm feeling good. So I definitely feel like this is worth the $130. I have bought wigs before that weren't even pre-plucked and they cost more than $130. So I definitely think that if you're interested in this wig, go cop one. Don't wait around, because you know, once they figure out they got something good, the price starts to go up. So if you're liking this, definitely go pick it up. This is a great everyday wig if you're into wearing a 13x4 every day. Maybe you leave it installed, but this is definitely a good wig. I haven't even dyed it black yet. Y'all know that is my thing, but I have not dyed it black yet. And it's looking good. I haven't had any like crazy light hairs. It's just the natural way that it is. So yes, I want to thank Internal Loveliness for this hair. I want to thank you guys for watching. We're trying to get as many subscribers as possible before the year is out, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would appreciate it, and I appreciate you for watching. And until next time, stay sweet.